Hi, my name is Dr. Alex. I'm a chiropractor. I'm going to show you 3 simple low back stretching to relieve your low back discomfort. Movement 1, Cat and Camel. This exercise allows to reduce the friction, stress, and glueness of the spine, particularly targeting the backside of the low back muscle. In movement 1, Cat and Camel, for people who have knee pain, you need to prepare 2 towels as cushions. So when you do this movement, you need to place the cushion underneath your knees. So in this movement, you can see this is called Cat and Camel. You begin placing hands and knees on the floor. Your shoulder needs to be on top of the wrist. Your hip needs to be on top of the knees. Avoid shifting backwards, avoid shifting forward. Avoid doing the push-up position. On your exhale, move your mid-back upwards. You can feel that stretching between your shoulder blades and mid-back. Hold this position for 5 seconds. As you're holding, exhale and inhale. On your next exhale, drop your stomach downward while keeping your shoulder and arm straight. Your neck can slightly look up a little bit. Hold this position for 5 seconds. Inhale and exhale. In this position, you can feel a slight stretch in your low back. Let's do it one more time. Round your mid back. Hold for 5 seconds. Exhale and inhale. On your next exhale, drop your stomach downward, slightly arch your low back, and slightly look up with your neck. Exhale and inhale. You're going to do this 8 times. Let's do it one more time. Round your mid back. Drop your stomach. Slightly look up your neck. To get the best results, you need to do 8 reps. Okay, let's do it one last time. So you want to do this 8 times. After 8 times, you rest for a minute, and then you do another round to get the best results. Movement 2, we call Psoas Stretch. You reduce the stress and glueness and tightness of the front and side of your low back muscles. In the starting position, one leg forward with knees bent, making sure your knees not passing the toes. Raise your opposite arm up and push upwards. Bend to the side slightly and drop your shoulder back of your raised arms, and then you can feel the stretch on the left side. You can feel the stretch at the front and the side here. Hold this position for 3 seconds. Okay, and then you lunge forward and repeat the same process. Raise your opposite arm upward and push. And to the side. And drop your raised arm back. And you can feel the stretch on the right side, particularly on the side of your waist. Hold this position for 3 seconds. Inhale and exhale. And launch forward. Making sure you're not losing your balance, making sure you're not pushing your stomach forward. Keep it tight to your body. Raise your arm upward and push. Slightly bend to the side as you bend, making sure you're not pushing your hip outward. You keep everything in a neutral position. Okay? and then drop your shoulder back. Exhale, inhale, hold this position for 3 seconds. To get the best results, you need to do 6 lunges on each side. When you are doing this psoas stretch, when you bend your knees, making sure your knees does not pass the toes, okay? And also in the starting position, making sure your belly does not come forward. Keep it tight to your spine. When you raise your upper arm upward, making sure you push upward and maintaining that stress. When you bend to the side, you only slightly bend, you don't bend a lot. Or you don't bend a lot and then losing the hip like this. You don't want that, okay? Okay, when you drop your shoulder back, making sure you just drop it back, you're not twisting your mid-back. As you feel the stretch, exhale and inhale, hold for 3 seconds. And then you come forward and do the opposite arms. Movement 3, sit extension. This movement allows you to stretch your entire lower back while sitting in this chair. So in this movement called sit extension, you're going to grab a chair, position yourself in the chair with heel flat. Slightly raise up your toes in the air and slightly arch your lower back. Now, this is the starting position. Next, you're going to interlock fingers. Push your arm upward for 10 seconds. Inhale and exhale. As you exhale, I want you to push your heel into the floor. Add a little pressure. Okay? Then you're going to move your arm upward more and further back. Now you can feel the stretch between the shoulder blades and your lower back. Hold this position for 10 seconds. Making sure as you reach backward, it's in the range of your comfort level. Push your heel into the floor. Inhale and exhale. Okay. As you finish, you drop your arms. To get the best results, you need to do 5 reps. Let's do it one more time. Interlock fingers. Push your arm upward. Stay there for 10 seconds. You inhale and exhale. In this position, making sure you push your heel into the floor. And then slightly add that arch in your lower back. And you can feel the stretching in the backside of your spine. Okay? After 10 seconds, you try to reach your arm upward more and then push further back. And then push your heel into the floor. You may feel sore in your legs, that's fine. Hold this position for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, you drop your arms. You should feel some soreness and stretching in your lower back.